In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba safely for personal use. Open your web browser and search for Alibaba. In the results, click the official Alibaba website to land on the home page. Once you're there, log in with your account so you can access your profile and check out securely. Being logged in also helps you save your cart and view your orders later. Next, use the search bar at the top and type what you're looking for. For example, you can type clothes women. Press enter to see the full list of products. Take a moment to scan the titles, photos, and descriptions. For safer buying, look for listings that show trade assurance and solid ratings. Read a few reviews if they're available to confirm quality and reliability. If you only want to buy one item for personal use, make sure the listing's minimum order is one piece. You'll usually see MOQ one piece or similar. This is important because many suppliers on Alibaba cater to bulk orders, and you want to avoid listings that require you to buy multiple units. Click on a product that fits your needs to open its details page. When you're ready, click Start Order to begin the purchase. Before proceeding, select the color you prefer from the options provided, then choose your size. Check the size chart carefully since measurements can vary by supplier, and confirm the units used. If anything is unclear, you can message the supplier on the platform to confirm availability or measurements. Adjust your quantity using the plus sign beside the size selection if you need more than one piece. When your selections look right, correct color, size, and quantity, click Start Order again to move into checkout. At checkout, choose your payment method. For safety, always pay through Alibaba's secure checkout rather than off-platform. If you don't have a saved card, you'll be prompted to add one. Click Add a new card, then enter your card details exactly as they appear with your bank. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and billing address to avoid declines. When everything is correct, click Confirm to save the card. Before paying, review your order summary carefully. Item name, color, size, quantity, shipping method, delivery estimate, and the total cost, including shipping and any taxes or fees. If everything looks good, click Pay now to complete the purchase. After payment, keep all communication on Alibaba, save your order confirmation, and track your shipment from your account. If you need support, use the platform's messaging and dispute tools. That's how you buy from Alibaba safely for personal use, start to finish.